We are at
Sanyo Sushi. I'm eating some pork ramen. It's really big, so I'm just gonna
you can lift it up higher.
put it in like this.
It's ramen. And he likes it.
Yeah.
We came here for the garlic edamame. They stir fry this with garlic and chili peppers. And we got 2 of them.
We got 2 of them, guys, because my mom loves eating him.
Look at Francesco eating the bejesus out of his edamame.
And guys, here's the pork ramen.
That's a big bite.
Yeah.
Does it taste different than regular ramen?
Honestly, yeah, and better because it has the pork to flavor
Mhm.
the soup, and the soup flavors the noodles, and it's really good.
We're here during their happy hour, which is at 3 to 6. And the edamame, instead of $6, it's $4. But the noodles are normal price. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.